Hello guys, in this video we will see how to set up PostgreSQL Server 17 version on Kali Linux 2025. From Kali Linux 2024 onwards, no need to install PostgreSQL Server. It is by default installed. Just we need to configure server. Okay. So first open terminal. Then verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started and enabled. So start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. We have successfully started. Verify again. See, we have successfully started PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL. Verify again. See, we have started and enabled qt control. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su -postgres psql. See, this is not the PostgreSQL Server version. It is PSQL client version. See the warning. See collection setting mismatch. So just copy this one and paste it. Hit enter. Put semicolon, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now exit and try to give PSQL. This time we won't get error. So see, this is not the PostgreSQL Server version. It is just PSQL client version. So verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server by running the command select version. See, version of the PostgreSQL Server that comes with as pre-installed application in Kali Linux is 17.4. qt. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for sudo user, Postgres user, which is the super user. So first verify list of users, /d use the command. See, here we have only one user. You can also verify the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, we have only one user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Provide any password. Alter role means we have successfully set the password for this user. Okay. Now we will see how to create a database. To verify list of databases, use the \l or qt select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. So create a database. Create database. It is done. Now create database. See, this time we have successfully created. Control A. Now verify again. See, new database bank is created. Even if you run \l, that is, see, here we have the database bank. Okay. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or \connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to the database bank as user Postgres. Verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create a table. Create table customer. Put semicolon, hit enter. \dt. See, we have created table in public schema and the owner is Postgres. Now insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now we will see how to create a user. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify users. See, we have created user. Now exit from this current PSQL, which is logged in with Postgres user. Now connect with this new user. PSQL -capsu. Username is David -p -h localhost -d. D means database Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL Server on Kali Linux 2025. See, we have to exit from this Postgres user also, because we can't start or stop with this Postgres user. Now verify the status and see, PostgreSQL Server is started. Okay, now stop the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is inactive or dead, and we have stopped it 1 second ago. And also try to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL Server is stopped. So start it again. Exit from the Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running. Quit. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected. I forgot to show you how to find the config files information location on the PostgreSQL Server. So config underscore file. See, this is the configuration file. This is the PostgreSQL.conf is the configuration file. So, and if you want to find the HBA file location, do the same. So HBA underscore file. See, this is the file name. Okay, if you want to find the data directory, Control L, show data underscore direct. See, this is the data directory. If you want to find the log directory, just replace this data with log. See, this is the log directory. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL Server by using PSQL client. We can also connect to PostgreSQL Server by using the most popular tools like dbeaver or pgadmin. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbeaver on Kali Linux 2025. So in this video we have seen how to configure the PostgreSQL Server on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.